Personalizing your outreach on Apollo.io is one of the most effective ways to connect with prospects and improve your engagement rates. If you're looking to streamline your outreach strategy and add a personal touch that stands out, you've come to the right place. In this quick Apollo.io guide, we'll walk through how to personalize your outreach to make your emails and messages hit the mark every time. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use Apollo.io to maximize your outreach and build stronger relationships with your leads. Now, Apollo.io is an all-in-one platform that allows you to find leads, track your outreach, and close deals all in one place. But what really sets Apollo apart is the personalization tools it offers to help your outreach shine. And best of all, you can start using Apollo.io completely free by clicking the first link below, where we're offering some exclusive bonuses to get you started. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because I'll also be giving you access to an extended free trial that will let you try all of Apollo.io's features for longer. When you're ready to begin personalizing your outreach, the first step is to dive into Apollo.io's comprehensive database of prospects. You can filter these prospects based on a variety of criteria like job title, location, industry, and even company size. This makes it easy to target the right people who are most likely to be interested in what you're offering. By narrowing your search to specific groups, you're ensuring that your outreach efforts will be more focused and relevant. Once you have your target list, the next step is to customize your outreach message. Apollo.io gives you the option to integrate personal data into your outreach, like the recipient's name, company, and recent news or activities about them. You can use dynamic fields in Apollo's email templates to automatically insert these personalized details. For example, you could mention a recent blog post they wrote, a company milestone, or a product they've launched. This makes your outreach feel less like a generic cold email and more like a tailored message that resonates with the recipient. One of the most powerful features for personalization is Apollo.io's Notes feature. After researching a prospect, you can add detailed notes that remind you of key talking points or details that you can refer to in future messages. Whether it's about their previous interactions with your company or a specific need they have, these notes ensure that every message you send will feel personal and relevant. Apollo.io also offers email sequencing, which is a game changer when it comes to follow-ups. You can set up automated sequences that send follow-up emails at timed intervals. But here's where personalization takes it a step further. You can tailor each email in the sequence based on how the recipient interacts with the previous emails. For example, if they clicked a link in your first email but didn't reply, you can send them a follow-up that references that action and gives them a reason to continue the conversation. Another cool feature to help you personalize your outreach is Apollo.io's integration with LinkedIn. By combining prospect data with LinkedIn insights, you can craft more engaging messages that reference a prospect's career, shared connections, or even mutual interests. This helps break the ice and gives you a better chance of starting a meaningful conversation. If you're still unsure about the best way to personalize, Apollo.io's analytics and tracking tools can help. They allow you to see which messages are getting the most engagement and identify which personalized elements are resonating with your audience. You can use this data to continuously optimize your outreach strategy and make adjustments to your approach for better results. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can start using Apollo.io for free today with our exclusive bonuses. And don't forget, we've also got an extended free trial waiting for you, so you can get a full taste of everything Apollo.io has to offer without any restrictions. Personalizing your outreach on Apollo.io isn't just about making your messages stand out, it's about building connections that last. With the tools Apollo.io provides, you can ensure that every message you send feels relevant and tailored to the individual, leading to higher engagement and better results. Be sure to check out the link below to start your free trial today and unlock all of Apollo.io's powerful personalization features.